This is an electric deep fryer that comes in a special green and gold edition, adding a stylish touch to your kitchen. It can prepare 4 servings of crispy French fries using just 4 cups of oil, automatically maintaining the right frying temperature for you. This fryer is versatile, allowing you to cook everything from shrimp to onion rings with a quick preheat time. Plus, the handy scoop lifts, drains, and serves your food, while the swing-up handle makes it easy to carry. This is a finger vegetable peeler that makes prepping fruits and veggies quick and easy. Made with a quality stainless steel blade and a soft rubber grip, it's both sturdy and comfortable to use. Simply slip it on like a ring and you can start peeling without the worry of slips or scratches. The ergonomic design fits nicely in your hand, allowing for effortless peeling of various fruits and vegetables. This is a set of silicone trivets that's great for protecting your countertops from hot dishes. They're thick and sturdy, with nylon plastic inside to keep them stable while holding hot pots or pans. Made from food-grade silicone, they can handle heat up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and are designed to be safe and eco-friendly. The collapsible design makes them easy to store when not in use. Plus, they won't scratch, rust, or fade over time. Keep your countertops clean and tidy with this stylish spoon rest. Tired of oil and sauce drips messing up your kitchen surfaces? This spoon holder features raised edges to catch all spills, making it a must-have for cooking, baking, and grilling. With 4 slots, it provides ample space to organize your utensils, whether spoons, spatulas, or tongs, keeping everything within reach during your multitasking sessions. The all-in-one kitchen measuring cube combines 19 different measurements into a single utensil, helping you declutter your kitchen drawer. It features a range of measurements, including cups, tablespoons, and teaspoons, making it an ideal tool for any recipe. This measuring cube is resistant to wear and deformation, ensuring it lasts through many cooking adventures. Plus, it's lightweight, dishwasher safe, and BPA free, making cleanup a breeze. This egg cooker prepares up to 7 eggs at once, letting you choose soft, medium, or hard-boiled options. You fill a measuring cup with water to match your preferred doughness, then press a button to start cooking. It automatically shuts off when done, making it simple and quick. This device also doubles as a steamer for veggies or other foods. Elevate your coffee game with this super automatic espresso machine, capable of crafting 19 diverse coffee recipes, including lattes, cappuccinos, and espressos. The fully customizable settings allow you to adjust strength, volume, temperature, and froth, ensuring a perfect cup tailored to your taste. Its intuitive 7-inch touchscreen makes brewing effortless, while the auto-cleaning function and dishwasher-safe parts simplify maintenance. A mini fridge that adapts to your lifestyle. This compact 4-liter fridge works for anything from snacks to skincare. With the ability to switch between cooling and warming, it's perfect for your bedroom, office, or even a road trip. The sleek, lightweight design includes a .C, D.C, and USB options, making it easy to power anywhere. Whether keeping drinks cold or food warm, this gadget adds convenience to any space. This is no ordinary toaster. It's a Darth Vader toaster that lights up and plays lightsaber sounds as your bread toasts. Perfect for any Star Wars fan, it's an eye-catching piece for your kitchen. With wide slots for bagels or thick bread, plus easy-to-use controls, it's as functional as it is fun. Bring some Sith energy to your morning routine with this unique kitchen gadget. This vacuum sealer kit quickly seals mason jars to keep food fresh and flavorful. With a powerful motor and a long-lasting battery, it can handle up to 500 cycles on a single charge. It comes with lids for both regular and wide-mouth jars, plus a lid opener. Sealing is effortless with a one-click operation that takes just 15 to 35 seconds. This electric humidor controls temperature and humidity to keep cigars fresh and flavorful. With a constant temperature range between 64 to 72 degrees Fahrenheit and humidity levels from 60 to 84%, it creates an ideal environment for cigar storage. Air circulation is maintained by a fan, ensuring even temperature and humidity throughout. A tempered glass door allows easy viewing of the contents. This is a meat chopper that makes cooking ground beef and turkey a breeze. With its 5-blade design, it also doubles as a masher for softer foods like potatoes and apples. The oversized nylon head is BPA-free and heat-resistant up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can use it safely with hot foods and on non-stick cookware. It's easy to use. Just press the blades into your cooked ingredients for the perfect consistency.